Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today's video is a little bit different because my husband is here. Woo! And we thought, you know what, we haven't done a video together and we have a lot of questions to answer actually. We've been getting a lot of questions from you guys and we thought, you know what, let's just take some time and do a video together. So yeah, today's gonna be we're doing a Q&A video. So every time you see me looking down, I will be looking at the questions. So the first question, because obviously for anybody who hasn't watched our videos, you really don't know who we are. So we need to introduce ourselves to you guys. So the first question is, who are we and where are we currently living right now?
Oh, that's for me?
Yes.
All right. Hello. How you doing? I'm me. Who are you? I am Prince. I am her husband. We are currently living in China, where we've been for a couple years since we got married. You know her. You love her. You like me.
Why do you say that? Because he's
I've
always
been seeing
saying
your views.
that.
I've been seeing the videos with my videos. The views don't match her videos. So you love her. You like me, but you love her.
All right. So yeah, we've pretty much been in China for as long as we've been married, because we moved here like literally 2 weeks after our wedding. So we've been here ever since, and yeah, we are planning to be here for the next couple of years, hopefully. So question number 2 is, why did we decide to build a house instead of buying one?
There are many reasons. Number 1, no hate on Zimbabwe, but we had an aesthetic we were going for. And funny enough, that aesthetic we were told we couldn't do, so we ended up not doing that anyway.
And our house looks nothing
like what we originally envisioned.
The exterior looks nothing like
what we wanted.
Exactly. Or what we wanted, and also what we got from the architect from our initial drawings. It looks nothing like it.
We'll show you the initial drawing, and then one day you'll see the actual house when it's finished.
Nothing. But anyway, we love our house. We love, because at least we were able to still maintain the interior, which was something that was important to us. Because yeah, the outside, it looks nice, whatever, but we spend so much time inside anyway, so we are still okay that the exterior was not maintained.
Plus, if the choices are buying a house and building, I'd rather build, because if you're building, you're getting the things you want in that house. But if it's buying, you might like the house, but it's not what you would have done for yourself. There would be things you would have to just maybe renovate. So easier to just build from scratch.
And I feel like when you're buying a house, you're buying into someone else's dream. And when you actually build your own house, you are putting everything you want in it, and it kind of like reflects who you are. So I think that's why we also prefer to like start from scratch.
Oh, plus regular viewers would know this. Personally, I also wanted to build because the theater. I wanted a theater in
But
my
they
house.
are. You probably could find houses that do
The
have
size.
theater, so.
Boom.
Okay.
The size of the theater is an aspect. No windows. I didn't want to have to renovate anything. I wanted it already set with the aspects I wanted it to have. So it would be easier for me to put up the walls knowing this is the box I want. It's coming out how I want. Which still, funny enough, it's a little smaller than what I wanted it to be. So compromises. Every house comes with a compromise.
All right. The next question. Did we always plan to build this big or this style of house?
Yeah, that's funny. I will never forget the conversation we had with Mom when we were like, no, we want to do like a 300 meter house, 300 square meter house. And my mom was like, there's a poverty. No, it's too small. I'm like, damn, all right.
But that's what we wanted. Like, even when we started like watching like house tours on YouTube, they were showing like that size, like 300, 320, like around, around that. Then because of peer pressure,
Influence,
we had to like add a couple of square meters. Yeah. But anyway, I feel like it did work out because of some of the rooms that we added. Like, for example, there's the home theater, the game room. I also wanted like a butler's kitchen, like the powder room. So I feel like the total square footage was put to use. Like there's no wasted space or whatever. Because even like, what do you call it? Our bedrooms. Remember, like, well, when we're like, I think I did a video where I was talking about how I hate, or actually we both like hate like big bedrooms, like just large for no reason bedrooms. Because for us, we just feel like a really big bedroom feels a little bit cold. Because I want to like go into my bedroom and just feel like, you know what, I want it to feel welcoming. And if it's too big, it just feels so, I don't
Plus, the thing with huge bedrooms for me, I'm like, you go in there to sleep. 2, we have a walk-in closet, so there's no space being taken out by a closet, a standing one. So just having this huge space with a big as heck bed where she's sleeping way down there, a smaller room where we put more space in other spaces like the bathroom, the closet, and have a nice cozy room that's just big enough for like a little coffee table for the 2 of us and maybe a TV. That's more than enough for us. That was the look we were going for.
Yeah. So the next question is, what was our original vision for the house and has it changed?
I think the first time we started looking at designs, we wanted a flat roof. Like, we didn't want the whole
Pitched
roof, all of that. We just wanted a nice, simple box that looks clean, all of that. Architect tells us you can't do that. But funny enough, there are houses like that in Zim. So, like,
well, he said that we could do it, but I think he was saying like there are not a lot of people that can actually do it and do it well in Zimbabwe. Like, he was talking about like the roof might leak and all that. So we just ended up just saying not whatever.
Yeah, so that changed that plan. We also wanted to, again, a smaller house, double story, where bedrooms would be upstairs, theater, game room, living room, all of that stuff downstairs. Then with the plan change, everything is now downstairs. There is no upstairs in the house design.
Yeah, but anyway, like what we say, like even with the exterior design that changed, of course, like when the changes happened, we were not happy with it, but we kind of like just like, you know, accepted everything. And yeah, what can we do?
Your face does not show somebody who accepted those changes.
No, because now it's
go to the comment section, mark this section, and tell me you saw her face when she said we just accepted that. That was not the face of someone who accepted anything.
But yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. So who is more involved in the design decisions?
I feel like we took on roles. Like, we both knew what we wanted in certain sections. For example, if it's living room, we both knew, like, for example, on the entertainment section of the living room, that's all me. But the chairs, design, layout, all of that, that's her. Theater, she has no say in the theater. I have no say in the kitchen. I can agree to like colors and stuff, and we agree on most of it anyway, so there hasn't been any clash between us. Like, no, I want blue, I want black. We pretty much agree on all of that. So I think it's split on knowing our strengths. I'm more on the technical side. She's more on the visual appeal of the house. How will things look? Where will this go? What will this do? So yeah, I think it's been a 50-50 so far. We work together pretty well.
All right. So what's one feature in the house we're most excited about?
My theater. My theater. Say it with me now. My theater. I'm ready.
Obviously, like, yeah. The theater. What about the game room?
Game room's gonna be dope, but I feel like I will use the space for like wind down, like just the driving experience, because we're trying to put in a dual sim racing rig with like a 75-inch TV. So like friends who want to come over and just drive, we'll have sim racing on there. But yeah, we'll be able to play games in the theater as well. So depends. Do you want to drive? Do you want to actually game on a bigger screen? So still, either way, for me, it comes down to the theater. The game room is a pretty big, chill spot. It's also doubles as the office for both of us. That's where the computers and stuff will be. So yeah, the rooms will be used. But yeah, for me, it's the theater. Like, I literally have movies I've refused to watch in the past 4 years just because I want to watch them in there. Like, my favorite movie, Pacific Rim. I used to watch it twice a year. I haven't watched it in like 3 because I'm waiting. Yeah.
Like, I personally don't get it, because like literally, like, a movie will come out and I have to watch it by myself because he refuses to watch that movie. All right, so as for me, I think I don't have a particular room where I'm like, okay, I'm more excited for more than the other. I think yes.
Kitchen.
Yeah, obviously the kitchen, yes. But I'm just excited for the home theater or the game.
By the way, that was
room.
not sexist. I'm not saying she needs to go to the kitchen. She's been talking about the kitchen a lot. Yeah? Don't come at me in the comment section.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm like literally, it's when it comes to designing the interior, like each and every room is getting a lot of attention. We're not like overlooking any room in the house. So I think that's why I'm really looking forward to just the whole house.
Ooh, and you guys should actually look forward to the next video, because we will be talking about the lighting aspect. A lot of you have been interested in smart homes, and yeah, there's a story on that we'll get into in the next video. Look forward to that. It's woo. But yeah, there are options out there that I found out people don't really know about that's really cheap. Control 4 is not your only option.
Cheap,
Beautiful.
not meaning like the quality is horrible, but cheap as in like it's very affordable and the quality is very good. Okay, so we don't want to make the video so long because we're not really, this is the first time us doing this kind of video, so we just wanted to see like if you guys like it, and if you do, just let us know in the comment section.
Do you want to see both of us, or do you just want to see her?
All right, so if you do want more of these videos, then you can just let us know in the comment section, and also add questions. If you have some questions, you can also add them in the comment section. So maybe just a question to end this video is, what has been the most stressful part of building so far?
For me, I think it's not being on the ground. Because since we started this build, I've gone back one time. So, yeah, not being able to see it on each stage as it goes up, I think that's a little stressful. Because, you know, you're working hard for something. You want to see the progress. We do get to see pictures and stuff, videos. But there's nothing that beats your own eye. So, yeah, I think that for me is the biggest thing.
Yeah, and not that we've always had somebody on ground. It's just that for us, we haven't been on ground as often as we would want. But yeah, I think this year, this year definitely, we will make sure to go back, because we're now working on the final finishings, and those need our attention. So yes, guys, I think we need to end this video right here. And then if we get to know that you guys actually enjoy the video, then we might make it longer if you do want longer, and make more videos like this for you guys. So thank you.
We got a beautiful story.